Hey everyone, did you listen to that silence? In my last video, I introduced the 8 pillars of communication. I also promised that today we would begin with the most important pillar active listening. Most people think communication is about the words you say. But if you have ever felt frozen during a conversation, it's usually because you weren't truly listening. You were too busy judging your grammar, your vocabulary, your sentences, and your pronunciation. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to master this first pillar so you can stop judging yourself. Listening is one of the most important skills in learning English. But many learners find it difficult to understand native speakers. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt completely lost for words during a conversation? If your answer is yes, you're not alone. It is necessary to sharpen your ears to overcome this. So, let's find out why this happens. So, what's the problem? A common problem is that people don't listen carefully. Instead, they focus more on predicting the next question or the next sentence. Have you ever caught yourself doing that? People only look for keywords and then guess the rest. This leads to confusion and makes it difficult to respond correctly. So, what can we do about it? This is why active listening is important. By listening to news, podcasts, and videos, you become familiar with natural sentence patterns and expand your vocabulary. Consistent listening helps you understand the whole message, not just the sounds. Now, here is what happens when you practice active listening. When you listen actively, you understand more, learn more, and communicate with greater confidence. You will stop guessing and start responding with confidence. Take time every day to sharpen your ears or train your ears, which is the best way to improve your communication. Now, I would love to hear from you. What is the most difficult part of listening for you? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to practice today. Stay tuned for Pillar 2. Decide your message.